How to change Face ID on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Over here, you can manage apps using Face ID and other iPhone access settings, set up alternative appearances and change your passcode. If you want to turn off Face ID, then scroll down and tap on Reset Face ID as shown. After that, tap on Set up Face ID. Here, tap on Get Started below. And then, follow the instructions as shown to set up a new Face ID on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily change Face ID on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.